Hey everyone, I'm Michael, co-founder and chief storyteller at Horizon Blockchain Games, and today I'll be speaking about the new dimension we're building where economies are fun, accessible, and for the benefit of all participants. When we look at NFTs and crypto, video game items, and virtual real estate, we see digital worlds becoming more real and valuable than ever before. Thanks to Ethereum and other chains, NFTs and digital assets exist in a persistent realm where various games, worlds, social networks, marketplaces, and applications coexist. Web3 and the metaverse is this place we can access on demand, where everything is interconnected, and even when we're not there, things continue to happen. It's a new dimension of reality that we get to build from the ground up and infuse with values like love, openness, and play. Now, most of us here at NFT.NYC are super excited about this space. We see the incredible projects, the billions of dollars in volume on OpenSea, the number of users and revenue generated by Axie. And we believe that in the next decade, most companies will be Web3 companies, and everyone with an internet connection will have a Web3 wallet. But as of today, the vast majority of people, they don't understand this space. It's esoteric, and technological and user experience limitations and friction, it's hindering adoption. So that's where we come in with Sequence, your gateway to Web3 and the metaverse. Sequence consists of a smart wallet that makes it easy for anyone to access Web3. Sequence also consists of a developer platform that makes building blockchain applications easy. So to start with the wallet, it's a smart wallet for crypto, NFTs, and Web3 designed for everyday internet users who can sign in with email or socials, and they don't need to know anything about blockchain or worry about seed phrases. We've built it for multi-chain experiences, so anything that's EVM compatible, like Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, and all the other layer 2s and sidechains that are coming online, you'll be able to access all your different dApps and assets from the same simple UI. It's non-custodial, there's account recovery, which means enhanced security with user friendliness, making Sequence perfect for NFTs, crypto, game items, and the digital assets we haven't yet imagined. It's web-based, so you don't need to download anything, but we have apps and browser extensions available as well. It's really your wallet, your bank account, your passport, backpack, and browser to this new dimension. The smartest way to own and trade crypto and NFTs and connect to Web3. Now, in addition to the wallet, we have an entire developer platform. So whether you're creating NFTs, games, new social networks, DeFi protocols, or some other dApp, Sequence will allow you to seamlessly connect with the blockchain and provide your users with an experience that's familiar like Web 2, yet equipped with Web 3 superpowers. So of course, we have the wallet because every user is going to need a wallet to connect with a dApp. And then we have the Nifty Swap exchange protocol, which you can think of like Uniswap for NFTs, making it easy to buy and sell digital goods. We also have minting tools so that you can create tokens in the first place. And then we have SDKs and APIs to allow you to seamlessly connect with the blockchain. Now, the reason we at Horizon know how to build a smart wallet and developer platform for this new dimension is because we've built a dApp ourselves. In fact, since the beginning of our journey in January of 2018, we've been building both Sequence and Skyweaver, a trading card game from the new dimension. Skyweaver is a free-to-play trading card game with an unprecedented player-owned economy where every single card is generated by players through gameplay. We've taken a game-first approach. In fact, our former game designer used to work at Magic the Gathering prior to Skyweaver. And there are novel mechanics and strategies, and we've designed it to be easy to learn for new players, yet with a depth and complexity for trading card game experts. And it's really accessible because it's a browser-based game, so anyone with an internet connection can play, and it's free to play. So in fact, you don't need to spend a single dollar, and yet you get to play to own NFTs. I'd like to take a moment to explain Skyweaver's economy at a high level. In Skyweaver, there are 500 unique cards and characters, each one of which exists as a base version, as a silver version, and as a gold version. Now, you can unlock every single base card for free simply by playing the game. And these cards are non-tradable, non-blockchain items, yet they grant you access to all the different gameplay and strategy. Then, by ranking highly on our weekly leaderboards, the top players are minted silver NFTs. These silver NFTs are cosmetically enhanced versions of the base cards. They don't provide you a gameplay advantage, but they give you ownership, tradability, and cosmetic status. And then we have another game mode called Conquest, which is super cool. It's a single elimination tournament-style game mode where you pay to enter with either $1 or 1 silver card. Now, if you lose your first match in a Conquest, you're out and you lose your stake. But if you win one match, you win 1 silver NFT. Win 2 matches, win 2 silver NFTs. And win all 3 matches in a Conquest, you'll win 1 rare gold NFT and a silver NFT. These gold cards are super cool because the only way to generate them is by winning a Conquest. And each and every week, only 8 of the 500 unique cards in Skyweaver will be available to be won via Conquest. So this means during week 1, cards 1 through 8 can be won via Conquest. And then in week 2, those first 8 cards, they'll never be minted again, which provides some really awesome and interesting incentives for players each and every week in Skyweaver. And these gold cards, they're cosmetically enhanced versions of the silver, so no gameplay advantage, but they provide you rarity, ownership, tradability. In fact, you can even trade your cards directly in Skyweaver because we have a built-in peer-to-peer decentralized marketplace, the Skyweaver Market, which is powered by our Nifty Swap protocol to make it super seamless and easy for anyone to buy and sell, regardless of whether or not they have any Web3 experience. And I'll take this moment to explain that we co-authored the ERC 1155 multi-token standard for representing non-fungible, fungible, and semi-fungible tokens. And we did this because while the 721 standard is beautiful and incredible and super innovative, it's not suitable for all use cases and applications, particularly for a lot of different game items. So as an example, this Bird Knight card you see. If it were a 721, price discovery would be quite difficult in that each and every one of them is it's one of one, it's its own market, and therefore assessing a fair market value to that is a little more challenging. But because this Bird Knight is an ERC 1155, we can have thousands of copies of that card. And then coupled with the Nifty Swap protocol, the prices in the market are algorithmically calculated so that we know if one Bird Knight sells for $5, the next one will trade for around the same price. And we hope that this contribution to the space of the ERC 1155 with the Nifty Swap protocol will create more efficient trading and better market experiences for users. And the Skyweaver market empowers players in another way. Card owners can actually provide liquidity to the market and earn a fee for doing so. So in this instance, the user is providing his fungi cards and the USDC pairing to the market. Every time that pairing trades, they're going to earn a fee for doing so, which means that in addition to being able to play with your cards, build decks with them, gift them, trade, or sell them, you can even earn a yield on the cards that you own. As Andrew Steinwald says, NFTs turn users into owners, which is a complete paradigm shift from the way users are treated on Web 2. We're really excited about Skyweaver. It's in an invite-only private beta at the moment, and we already have over 100,000 users. And we're super excited for soft launch when the economy goes live this quarter. And Skyweaver is one of a number of new worlds emerging in this new dimension. We're incredibly honored to be building and creating with so many amazing projects and collaborators. And our contributions of Sequence, which is a gateway to access and build in this new dimension, and then Skyweaver, a trading card game in this new dimension, we hope that with others, we can realize these next generation of internet economies that are fun, accessible, and for the benefit of everyone who participates. So thank you, everyone, for listening. It's a true honor to be here.